morning, everyone. So, by the way, my name is Janel Mantawel. So, just call me Jan for short. So, today, I will going to teach you how to solve the problem in geometry, especially and getting the area, the perimeter, and the circumference in a circle in one problem. So, guys, we will use the marker and the calculator and also the ruler. So guys, are you ready? So shall we start? Okay guys, so this is our figure. So the problem we can solve. So find the area, the perimeter, the circumference in this figure. So let's put a semicircle on the top here and a triangle on the bottom. So we're going to say this is 7 centimeter. This part is 7 centimeter. This one is 15 centimeter. And on the bottom is 12 centimeter. And the triangle, it is based on 9 centimeter. So we can find the area and the circumference. So I mean that's the confidence, but the area and the perimeter on this figure. So let's start with the area. So make a line. So now if the side is 7 and this 15 centimeter, therefore their section is 15 minus 7 plus 8. So this is 8 centimeter. Okay. So 7 plus 8 adds to 15. So now we can find the area of this rectangle. So it's going to be the formula of the area of is area times length times width. So our length is 12 centimeter and our width is 8 centimeter. Total of 96 centimeter square. So, okay, the first triangle is 96 centimeters square. So now we can find the area of this rectangle. It's going to be length. So the formula again is length times width. So we also need to know the length of rectangle. So notice that the side is 12 and this side is 7. So therefore this side must be difference of 12. So 12 minus 7 is equals 5. This is 5. So 5 plus 7 is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now our width is, our length is 5 and our width is 7, so it's 35 centimeters square. So let's put a triangle 2, a rectangle 2, which is 35 centimeter square. And now we find the area of triangle here. So it has the height of, so since this section is 8, so therefore this section is 8 centimeter. So, and 8, and the base is, and then the base is 9. So the area of the triangle is, the area was 1/2 times base times height. Copy 1/2. So the base is 9 and the height is 8 centimeter. So you can use the calculator. So 9 times 8 is 72. 72. So divide is 72 divide 2 is 36 centimeter square. Okay. So we put a triangle, a triangle is 36 centimeters square. Now we can focus on the semicircle here. Semicircle. The area of semicircle is, this one is the area, 1/2 times pi times radius square. So 1/2. So since this is 5 centimeter, so the pi is half of the half of 5 is 2.5, which is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 squared. Here 2.5, total of 5 centimeter and 2. That's so we can calculate. So 2.5 times 2.5 plus 6. I know the pi is 3.14 times 6.25. So our answer is, area is 3.14 times 6.25. Okay, 9.625 divided by 2. That's, the area is 9.8 or 9.8125 or 9.8. Okay. So the area of our semicircle is 9.8 centimeters squared. So let's let's add everything. So 96 96 plus 35 plus 36 plus 9.8 to get the area of this figure. So the area is 176.8. That's the area of this figure. And okay. Now that will give the total of 176 of 8, so that this the area of the figure is. Now we need to find the perimeter. So first let's find the circumference. So circumference, this is the formula of circumference. So C equals circumference equals to pi times radius. So we all know that this is a 5 centimeter. The half of 5 centimeter is 2.5. So pi times 2.5. So equals, the circumference is 7.85 centimeter. So let's put him there. You can put an arrow. So this is 7.8 centimeter. Since we got the circumference of the semicircle, so let's going to get the hypotenuse of the triangle. So we can get the perimeter of this figure. Okay, so to get the hypotenuse of the triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So this is the formula of Pythagorean theorem. Is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So since our base is 9, so 9 squared plus our height is 8 squared plus 2 c squared. Here. So 9 times 9 is plus 81 plus 64 squared. So 81 plus 64 is 145, and we can use a square root. So the square root of 149 is 145 is 12.04. 12 12.04. That's the hypotenuse. So we can put there here 12.04. Okay, since we got the hypotenuse of the triangle, now we add the all the sides of the figure. Okay, me too. So we start the 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 7.85 plus 7 plus 7 plus 12.4. Okay, we can use a calculator. So that 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 7.85 plus 7 plus 7 plus 12.04. A total of 69.84. 89 rather square centimeter. As a continuation to solve the problem, so this is our last problem to solve. So this is a volume problem. So this is the problem. A water tank is 12 feet high, which is our height, then 5 feet long there, and 9 feet of width. So a solid metal box which is 7 feet inside the tank high, 4 feet long, and 8 feet wide is setting at the bottom of the tank, so inside the tank. So the tank is filled with water inside that. So here is the questions. So what is the volume of water in the tank? So to get the volume of the tank and the box, so the formula that we can use is volume equals length times width times height. So since this tank is a rectangular prism, so that's our formula. So let me first solve the tank. So volume times length times width times height. Since our length is 5 feet times 9 feet and our height is 12 feet. So just multiply each. So 5 times 9 is 45 plus 12 feet equals 540 feet. So next, in order to solve that a volume, so we got we solved the box. So same the formula. So volume, this is for tank, and this is for a box. So volume then comes three times. So since our length is 4 4 feet times 8 feet, and our height is 7. So just multiply each, and then 4 times 8 is 32 feet times 7 is 224 feet. So, in order to get the volume of the water in the tank, just use no 540, just a subtraction. So 540 minus 244, and we got a volume of 316 feet cube. So that's the volume of water tank. So